Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to play with the Juvia's Place Wahala palette. That's what it looks like. Real pretty. Beautiful colors. So I think I might dip into some of the purples. I know I did a purple look yesterday, but the purples are just calling to me. That and the green, but I think I'm going to do the purple. So if that's something that you want to see and see what look I come up with, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to clip my hair up. Take my glasses off. And I'm going to put a little bit of Milani eye primer on. Alright, I'm going to take my BK Beauty 202 brush, just the fluffy but tapered brush, and I'm going to go into Woke down here. And I'm going to put that in my crease. Alright, I'm going to take Unshook right here. And I'm going to put that on my outer corner. I'm taking the BK Beauty 203 and I'm going in with Unafraid right here. And I'm going to put that on the other half of my lid. I'm going to take Envy and I'm going to see if I can't tap a little bit of that over my inner corner. And I'm going to use the same brush. I'm going to take a cotton round and with some micellar water on it and just clean up any of my edges or fallout. I'm going to take my Ole Hendrickson Banana Bright Face Primer that I got in BoxyCharm yesterday. And I'm going to put that on my face. Alright, I like that so far. And I'm going to take the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in shade Light. And I'm going to put that, dot it on my face first. Alright, now I'm going to blend it out with my Sigma F47 multitasker brush that I just tried out yesterday. I actually only used this foundation like once or twice, so it seems like the color's not too bad. I'm bringing it down my neck a little bit. And blend it out pretty easily too. Alright, I'm taking the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in L150 Porcelain. Y'all see me use this all the time. It's one of my favorites. And I'm using my concealer brush to blend all that out. Taking number 7 Light Illusion Triple Action Finishing Powder in Light. Take out the... And this is another favorite. If you can't tell, I use it all the time. It just really... It sets my concealer, but it doesn't ever get too cakey. And it just kind of makes it look a lot better. Alright, I'm taking the Butter Bronzer in Bronze Shade Bronzer. And I'm going to use that to warm up my face real quick. I'm taking the Milani Luminoso blush. And I'm gonna get some color on my cheeks. Go over my nose so I can be sun-kissed and sunburned. Now I'm taking the Flesh Boost. And this is a real pretty highlighter. I'm going to put it on my high points of my cheeks. Over my brows. Other brow. Down the nose. Cupid's bow. And chin. Alright, I'm going to take Unshook. And I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. I'm just going to do the first like third right here. Now I'm going to take Unafraid right here, and I'm going to put that on the other half of my lower lash line to kind of mimic the top. I'm going to take Stand Up right here, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner real quick. I'm still trying out my Legit Lashes little sample here. So I'm going to start with the curl and lengthen side. Now I'm going to take the volume side. I'm just doing one eye at a time to kind of see if that helps. Alright, I'm taking the Lancome Juicy Tubes Original in Magic Spell. And I'm going to put that on my lips. Very nice, not too sticky. Just nice and glossy. Kind of like that. I'm going to use the Revolution Hyaluronic Fix Hydrating and Plumping Makeup Fixing Spray. I'm going to spray myself. Alright, so that's it. This is the final look with the Wahala palette. So I had a lot of fun playing with it. I was thinking about maybe doing like 7 looks with it, but being like different videos. I don't know. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do, but I'd love to play with this a little bit more. I mean, Juvia's Places shadows are just beautiful. The shimmers are beautiful. I'm really, really, really impressed. So I want to play with this a little bit more, and maybe even my Nomad palette. My Nomad palette, there isn't as many like shadows to do a bunch of different looks, but it took me a while to figure out what I was going to do, because just there's so many looks that you can pull off with this. And it's just beautiful. So I'm at least going to do a couple more, I think. So I enjoyed the Ole Hendrickson primer. I think that it did a great job. It smelled great. It dried down great. It did everything a primer should do. And the lip gloss I hadn't used before, I think that it's really moisturizing. It's not goopy or clumpy. It's nice and just glossy and smooth. And I like the foundation too. I hadn't used that much, but I enjoyed my complexion. I think my complexion looks amazing, so I definitely think this is a great product as well. I guess that's it. I guess that's all that I have to say. Pretty much I enjoyed everything that I played with, and I'm excited to play with the Wahala palette even more. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also, ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.